Welcome to GlobalInternet.py, an online software company dedicated to building custom websites and powerful software solutions for our clients. We have recently built a social media platform designed specifically for the Haitian community with all the functionalities you can find on Facebook, tailored directly for local interaction. Because traditional services like PayPal do not work locally, we solved the international wire transfer gap by allowing users to connect their mobile phones and add info to their profiles to receive direct funds from anywhere around the world through Prism Transfer. We then integrated live Jitsi video calling directly into the platform to allow phone calls among users, ensuring complete transparency for community interaction. To address the closure of the Port-au-Prince National Airport and monitor flight itineraries in regional airports like Cap-Haïtien, Les Cayes, and Jérémie, we built a radar tracker with a 180-kilometer max range using latitude and longitude to track airplanes and maritime traffic passing by Haiti's airspace and sea. Additionally, we added a list of game apps built for users to play and have fun during their daily routine. Get in touch with Gesner Deslandes, Chief Engineer at GlobalInternet.py, if you want to build a website for your business or any other software for your daily routine. Phone 509-47385663. Email delandes78@gmail.com.